So welcome to this question here on 2019 Ordinary Level Section B. So we have this model here, children's play area, shaped main structure. Okay, figure B1 below shows the elevation and incomplete plan of the structure, keyword incomplete. The outline profile of the tunnel is also shown on the left. Part A, using the information provided in the 3D graphic, okay, in figure B and in figure B1, draw the elevation and incomplete plan of the structure shown. Okay, part B, complete the plan showing all lines of interpenetration, and part C, drawn end view of the structure. So here's an outline of what penetrates the structure here. So I'll just give you a quick run through in SOLIDWORKS. That's it in 3D. Here's what the elevation looks like. Here's what the plan looks like. Okay, and this distance apart here is what's equal to the outline view. So it says 10 there, and that distance is 10. So it's going to be the outline sectional view, which is going to help us get a lot of dimensions in plan. So look, that's 40, what's in the sectional outline there. I'll give you a quick look of what the finished question will look like. There's the end elevation there on the right. Okay, and that is when you look from the left. So when you look from the left here, you draw what you see on the right of the elevation, and that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to begin drawing the elevation of the object. It's 130 long. Okay, we have 1530 marked in from the left and 30 and 35 marked in from the right. So that distance there, okay, going horizontally should be 20. The heights are 55 in total, and then up 30 and 15 from the XY line. So XY line. So mark 130 along it. Okay, then I'm going in 15, 30 from the 15 on the left hand side, and then on the right I'm going in, I think it's 30. Yeah, so I'm going in 30 from the right, and then 35. Okay, the heights then we're going up is 55, and then 30, and a further 15. So we're now going to start drawing the incomplete plan. The width of it is 80, the length is 130, so we can drop all the points down from elevation, and then the distance from here to here is 20, and the same at the bottom is 20, and then this distance here is 5 either side of the center line, because the outline here is, the outline section view is 10. So let me just prove that to you in 3D. So that's 20, this is 10, okay. And there's my sectional outline. So there's our 40, our 10, and then just watch in plan view the way it's going to look. It's going to maintain those distances. So I'm going to drop down, we'll say 20 from the XY line to start my plan. The total width of it is 80, the length is 130, but it shares with elevation. So I'm going to drop down 20. Okay, I'm going to drop mark 20 from the earth, 20 from the 8 there, 20 from the bottom. I'm going to find the center line. Okay, so 80 divided by 2 is 40, so 40 from the bottom, and then I'm going to mark 5 above and below the center line. So look, this is where the center line is. So there's the outline plan, and then we're ready to draw the completed plan. Okay, so to draw the completed plan, I can bring this straight down, okay, and I can bring this straight down here, and that's a heavy line, so 20 there, and the 20, okay, and then this here in elevation, sorry, that's a heavy line all the way, and then this is a heavy line all the way as well there. Okay, now this point here rests on the 10 in plan, so that's on the 10, and the same with this one. That's on the 10. Now these two here are on the two 20s either side of the center. So I'm going to bring them down. so they stop. Now we can connect these together. Hidden detail here. Hidden detail here. Now, that's the plan complete. To do the end elevation, okay, we can draw in a YY line. It can be anywhere after the elevation you want, or some teachers use the 45-degree lines in the bottom corner. That's absolutely fine. Now, I'm going to continue on the XY line here. I'm going to bring my points over to a 45-degree line from the corner of the YY line. Bring that then. This is the 10 line. Just up here, sides. So where that line's brought across, and these two are brought to the 45-degree line and up, where they intersect as points on the lines of intersection. There's our end elevation.